Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Complicated. I have a billion fans, and they're all expecting me to win.
Maybe this time.
Turunkan aku!
Siap? Ya, belum.
Manufacturer, you're alive! Matt, you're here!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Guys, let's head out.
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
And before retirement, he's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston Cup?
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
My name's Maiden. Mater?
Yeah, like tomato.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
It's an ant. Exactly. Don't worry, Percy.
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Here we go, everyone! La, la, la.
One, two, Henry. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
Now you're in.
Get attack!
Who's winning the race?
Back away!
It's Lightning McQueen.
Get back!
It's...
Sweet pea, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Wow! Nunca que con...
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen has blown a tire! And with only one...
The engine from...
Pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble.
And every last one of them was about you.
Heard about it before.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're
That road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you little?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Number was McQueen's idea, if you'd have it.
I love it. Oh.
He wanted to.
Something new. I like it. Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief.
Good job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Thanks, Tex. I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
Kachika! Kachika! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one? Come on! Faster, Guido, come on. I gotta get back out. Guido, hurry up! What the fuck?